Hello everybody and welcome to another Tech Minute video. My name is Tom from 6 Foot Networks. Thank you for joining me in my office. Now, you might notice behind me that things are a little bit different from previous videos. I had boxes over here and then a shelf unit next to it. Well, the shelf is right here, the boxes are right there, and actually most of them are empty now. So this video literally will probably show some frustration on my part. For that, I apologize. But I must say that if there's any worthwhile tip that comes out of this video, it's this: that organization is probably more important than any content of any box, especially if those boxes are not labeled. So this is purely my fault. I have nobody to blame but myself. And you can see, actually I'll point to the floor. For the last 2 days, I have been looking for one specific item. I know I have it. I hoard stuff. I knew I had it for a fact. There was no doubt in my mind that it was somewhere over here. And I mean, in the meantime, I found other things. I found an Intel Pro 1000 card. I found a whole bunch of cables that I was looking for. And I started organizing these bins that I had with drives, adapters, new stuff, old stuff, USB cables, some old school lighting stuff from my theatrical days when I did stage and set lighting. This rollover cable here for Cisco routers is literally what sparked that. I could not find this for the life of me, and it took me 2 days at probably 4 hours a day, off and on, just looking for it. I mean, I've literally found things like my on-air sign that, didn't even know existed after the move. I thought it got lost or broken or I threw it away or whatever. I found a whole bunch of stuff. I found pictures of my son, pictures of my wife, things that were just laying in boxes. I also managed to find every single one of my, award letters from NASA, my group achievement awards, my, certificate of appreciation from the Jet Propulsion Laboratory, and everything's here. Things that, I thought I would never find again. All of my Crestron certifications. It's funny. I like to think that I'm a little obsessive when it comes to organization of my stuff. And I realized today, actually I probably realized it yesterday, that there's no way that that's true. Because even though I have all of this stuff, I mean, look at that. That's quite a feat. And I moved all of this stuff in here. All of this stuff was in my house. I moved it all in here. And I complained through the whole move that, oh my God, I have so much stuff. I'm so upset that I have to carry it up a flight of stairs because there's stairs here. And, everything that's over here on this desk, everything that's over there on that bench, I found things that I thought I had lost. And previously, I did lose them. But since then, I found a whole bunch of stuff. Moral of the story is, take some time. Look through your stuff, because these 3 black boxes, actually the bottom one has some backpacks in it now, some of my spare backpacks for when I, when either something rips or like I have to replace this one. That's my primary gear bag. That's my EDC, everyday carry. But those boxes were full of trash. Now, trash to me might be something useful because it's either old or it's from, a previous generation of tech or whatever, and it was kind of the hoarder mentality in me that told me to keep it. Well, those 2 boxes that are sitting on top here, on top of this one that's full of, that I already labeled actually backpacks and bags, those 2 boxes combined probably weighed 150 pounds together. They were so heavy that it took everything I had to get them off of each other when they were standing over here. Now, I'm not even going to begin to explain to you how I got them up a flight of stairs, because I don't know. Again, moral of the story, take some time, organize your stuff, know where everything is. You know, I bought all those boxes, these clear, you know, cheapos. I got them on, you know, it was a Amazon bulk buy, you know, buy 20 or whatever for X amount. And I got 40 of them. There's a whole bunch on the floor now, right there. There's some on this side too. This box has a bunch of my certificates, diplomas, and stuff like that still in it, which will probably remain like that because I'm not certain I want to blast holes into these walls. It's not my office. And I don't know what the rules are. The lease doesn't say, and I don't know if I want to broach that subject. So I'm just going to keep them in there. I know what I got. I know what my skills and qualifications are. But I'm going to literally take some time. I'm going to tear all of this down between now and probably, I don't know, the weekend. Today is what, Thursday? Is it Thursday? Yeah, it is Thursday. So between today and tomorrow, I'll take some time, probably an hour or two a day, and literally just go through these boxes. That brown box that's on top right there, those are formation documents for my company. What on earth are they doing up there? So it's heartbreaking when you get across, you know, stuff like this and you look at it and you're like, oh man, this is deadly. So literally take some time, start organizing, get a label maker, start labeling, and that's pretty much it. I don't know what else to say. Just this is 11 years in the making, so there's a lot of stuff here. You know, I found a whole collection of Firewire 400 and Firewire 800 cables from old edit setups that I did, I don't know, 8, 9, 10 years ago. In fact, there's a Firewire 800 drive that's got a eSATA interface, USB 2.0, and external power. This is a G-RAID, 1 terabyte. I'm impressed by this, and I did find the cables to it too. So, you know, it's amazing what you can find, but I'm pretty sure that this will help manage efficiencies. Look at all these rechargeable batteries. They're all dead. That's probably like $150 worth of batteries that are trash because I couldn't find them. They were in the bottom of a box. So yeah, the frustration's real. And if you share this frustration, please go down in the comments and let me know about it, because misery loves company. And, you know, I just had this desk cleared a few days ago. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you really like this video and you want to see more of it, although I don't know how many more of these mess type videos I'll make, please consider hitting the subscribe button. It really does help out the channel. In the meantime, I hope you're doing well, and until next time, thank you for watching.